Imagine you're a butterfly looking over your habitat. Welcome to the world of the painted lady butterfly. The painted lady butterfly is commonly found in the temperate forest ecosystem. This ecosystem can be characterized by the various layers of forest. The top layer is called the canopy and is made up of full-grown trees. These trees form an umbrella throughout most of the year, providing shade for the layers below. The middle layer is called the understory, which is made up of smaller trees, saplings, and shrubs. The lowest layer is the forest floor, which is made up of wildflowers, herbs, ferns, mushrooms, and mosses. The temperate forest usually has cold, snowy winters and warm summers. It rains an average of 25 to 75 centimeters per year, mostly during the summers. Along with several species, the ecosystem also includes detrivores and saprotrophs like the banana slug and velvet top fungus, which is a mushroom. The first trophic level is made up of producers who are autotrophs and at the very base of the food chain. Here we have the buttonbush, milkweed, and forest goldenrod, all of which are pollinated by the painted lady. These producers gain their energy through the sun by photosynthesis. The second trophic level is made up of primary consumers, which are heterotrophs and are generally herbivores. Red squirrels, mountain pine beetle, painted lady butterfly, and the eastern chipmunk all acquire their energy through consuming the producers, buttonbush, milkweed, and forest goldenrod. Energy moves from the producers to the primary consumers and so on up the food chain. The third trophic level is made up of secondary consumers, who are mostly made up of omnivores, eating both producers as well as primary consumers. The red fox feeds on rodents such as the eastern chipmunk, while the raccoon generally consumes insects like the beetle and butterfly, as well as red squirrels. Both the red fox and raccoon are threatened species. However, they are not close to extinction. The red fox is threatened due to hunting for their fur and because of its dangerous reputation. The raccoon is threatened because of excess hunting, trapping, and poisoning, due to them being considered a nuisance. Without both the red fox and raccoon, the population of red squirrels, beetles, and chipmunks will increase, and as a result, the levels of producers will decrease. The fourth trophic level is made up of those who prey on secondary consumers. These are tertiary consumers. Humans are considered tertiary consumers. While most do not consume foxes or raccoons, humans excessively kill these animals, whether it be as a result of roadkill or based on its reputation. As a result of deforestation by humans, the ecosystem's carbon cycle is being profoundly affected. The cutting down of trees at a high rate not only reduces the habitat for many organisms, but increases the amount of carbon in the atmosphere, as the trees cannot use the gas during photosynthesis. The abundance of carbon results in the trapping of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which leads to the increasing temperature of the Earth. This can lead to the melting of ice in glacier regions and long droughts that affect agriculture. More specifically pertaining to our ecosystem, the loss of trees would result in a decrease in protection and shelter for all organisms living within the temperate forest.